What is going on, guys? Welcome to part 2 of our screenshot series, and now we're moving into some more in-game stuff. Now I'm on the map CSGO here, and I'm going to be running through some of the commands we have to do when we actually load up into the game. So first of all, of course, we want to turn on SV cheats, and as you can see there are hundreds of bots everywhere. So we want to do bot kick, then we want to do MP round time, and we want to set it to 60 on all of them, just in case anything happens. There we are, 60. Just do it on all of them in case the game mode somehow turns. As you can see, this is a hostage map, and we want to end the MP warm-up _end. There we are. Now another thing, of course, we need to do is we need to disable our HUD, and we do it like that. And if you are wanting to get things like reload animations, of course, like that, we do want to turn on SV infinite ammo 2, because that will give us infinite ammo, but it will also allow us to reload. Now, if you're doing screenshots for other people, you also want to allow MP drop knife enable 1, so you can actually, drop your knife to other people. I used to have to do it a different way using, I think it was MP CT default melee, and you had to do it a different way like that. So in this episode we're going to be teaching two types of screenshotting, one with a green screen and one without, and the one without is incredibly basic, and that is just overlaying two images like so. So of course you want to make sure everything is all nice and still. You want to take a screenshot like so, move it onto the other side, and take another screenshot like that. And this is for the basics. Now using our other tutorial, I think it was bind H, was it? Yep. We can go here, put motion blur on, and we can use the bind toggle H, and then it's mat _ proxy over here, and that's the bind you want to use if you want to use in-game blur to make everything look all somewhat nice. And basically you want to turn up your sensitivity to like 10, shake your mouse around a lot, press H, and then you want to come over here and do exactly what I just showed you if you want blur in the background. So again, take one screenshot, move your knife onto the other side using R right hand or CL right hand, and then just take another screenshot like so. And we're going to go move into Photoshop, and then we'll come and teach you the more elaborate green screen method right after this. So yeah. So now that we're back on the desktop, we're going to right click on Counter-Strike, go to properties, local files, browse local files, CSGO, and we're going to go to our screenshots folder. And the map we're on was CS Siege, so we type in CS Siege here, and we scroll down to the last images, which are these four. And basically what we need to do is just copy these four here to the desktop, which I've already done, and we're going to open up them in Photoshop. So we need to open up Photoshop. Shouldn't take too long. Let's minimize that. Now if you don't like having them in TGA, or your photo editing software doesn't take TGA, what we can do is we can go to this website here, convert image to PNG, and we can come choose file, choose one of the TGAs, go to best quality, and then just click convert file, and it should upload it. Shouldn't take more than a second, and once it is done, it will auto download it to your PC, and there we go. We have a working PNG file, which you can zoom in on. It's only in 1080, so it doesn't look the best, but it's just for recording reasons. So what we can do is we can go open, and we're going to select these four like so. Let's select them in order actually. So there we are. Select them in order. Let's do that one more time. Okay. One last time. Let's undo all of that, select them in order. There we go. And basically it will have the 2 non-blurred and the 2 blurred here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to select, copy it all, like using Control-C, and then we're just going to paste it into the other layer. Now we're going to right click on the background, and then we're going to go layer from background, like so. Then we can just close the other TGA file. And we're going to do the exactly same with the non-blurred, and paste it into the other non-blurred, like so. Close it, right click, layer from background. And basically what we need to do here is we're just going to drag, and we're going to select, click the select tool up here, the rectangle marquee tool, come over, select this whole side where the hand is, make sure that you're actually on that layer, like so, and then we're just going to click the delete button, and then we're going to get the eraser, come over here, and we're just going to remove this, and there we have a nice basic image. Didn't really have to do too much editing, and is very quick for those who don't want to spend too much time, making 4K or adding fancy effects and things like that into your screenshots. Some people don't like to do that, and if you're having a lazy day like I do sometimes, and you want to trade an item, this is a much easier way to do it than fiddling about with green screens and things like that. So once you have done, what you need to do is click Save As, go down to PNG, and then we're going to call this tutorial 1. Here we are, and we save it with 0 compression, and we're going to do exactly the same for this other one, and we're going to call this tutorial 2. Of course, tutorial 2, no compression, and we're going to minimize this and right click, and there we are. We have our 2 pictures. One has blur and one doesn't have blur. So there we go. Very simple, very easy way to do basic screenshots. And part 3 we will be going more into depth with things like green screen, and showing you how to use a green screen to make it a picture. So I hope you enjoyed this. This is part 2 of our little tutorial thing going on. Hope you have enjoyed. If you have, please like, rate, comment, subscribe and all that stuff. And as always guys, peace.